morning. Ohayo. We arrived in Japan last night. We're at the airport right now, going back to Japan. We spent 2 weeks in Germany. Yeah, and now we're excited to go back home. Eh?
Yes.
Yeah. And we're flying with Turkish Airlines, and we're gonna stop in Istanbul and then transfer to another plane and then fly again with Turkish Airlines to Haneda Airport. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on at the moment in Japan, you know, with the earthquakes and with the plane crash in Haneda Airport. So I'm a little curious to see how the overall energy is over there. Like if you can see that it's kind of tense or if you can't. And I'm a little bit nervous about like earthquakes occurring in the future because maybe this was like a domino stone, the first one to fall, and now there's more earthquakes. I don't know, it's just what I thought, but I'm not an earthquake expert, so I'm not sure if that's actually the case, that just because there was an earthquake in one region of Japan, does that mean that there's another one soon in another region? Yeah, but we're excited about going back, and it's gonna be 14 hours flight time in total. How much do we have in Istanbul? 3 hours? Two and a half hours layover in Istanbul. Yeah. Die haben sogar Filme. They have movies. Sometimes they have the little map where you can watch the plane, and I like that actually. I love watching that shit. I don't know why. For some reason, makes you feel at ease, you know. Wait, do we have that? Wait, do we have that? Can I zoom? Yeah. So we're gonna go all the way from Düsseldorf to Istanbul.
What's the plan?
Oh, plan is to go to Shake Shack. I just had the best plane meal of my life. Because Turkish Airlines never misses. Their food is so good. Lufthansa could never. I had like a Kartoffelgratin, so potato. What is Kartoffelgratin? Potato gratin with hummus and grilled veggies. I had the vegetarian option, so good. I'm matched. And now we're heading to Shake Shack because this belly can fit more than just veggies. And also we had a family from Germany in our flight, and I was wondering because today is Friday the 5th, and I think in NRW at least that's the last day of vacation, like holidays, right? And it's illegal to take your kids on vacation if it's not the holidays. So actually people at the airport will stop you and ask you, where are you going with the kids? It's their school on Monday. So I'm asking myself, where are they taking the kids? Do they live? And they're going to Thailand. So do they live in Thailand? Or do they, I don't know. This is illegal. That shit's illegal. You can't take out your kids from school. That's illegal. Illegal tonight. So it turns out I'm just a basic white girl because I just got really, really happy when I saw they have a Popeyes. I've never had Popeyes in my life. It's an American chain. Never had it. Actually, we're looking for the what are we looking? No, we're looking for the Shake Shack, right? Should we try something else? Should we? Should we? But you had it before, yeah?
Yes.
And was shit?
Yes.
What was shit about it? Wow. No, but what did you get? What do they have?
Everything they have in a normal fast food restaurant.
So, how can you do these classics? Bizim için değerli kapülari Das hört sich japanisch an. Capillari. Capillari. We've been walking for the past 10 minutes. No Shake Shack inside. And look at that. We're not even half through. There's so much to see, so much to discover. This is capitalism at its peak. So big. We've been walking for so long, I kind of feel full. Does that make sense? The burger were too expensive. We ate it anyways because we didn't know better. It was too expensive. And now I feel full, and maybe we'll get another meal in like 2 or 1 hour, maybe 1 or 2 hours, and I won't be able to eat anything. Yeah.
How much was it?
27 euros. So here's the situation. We have no food at home and we have a pile of laundry. So today I'm gonna spend all day probably just doing that. Getting groceries and doing loads and loads of laundry, which I hate. But yeah, it's basically my fault that we have that much because I didn't wash enough before we left. Yeah. Oops. I'm on my way to the supermarket right now and I'm gonna take you with me and show you guys what we usually eat and how much it is and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. Usually I don't pay with my credit card because I have a Japanese cash card. That means that I cannot pay by card. I always have to pick up cash. I mean, I came back yesterday, so I didn't have time to pick up cash. So I had to pay with my German card, but I'm going to pick up cash now.
Please take all your items. Thank you.
My boyfriend pays the rent. So my boyfriend doesn't pay for rent. I mean, he pays, but we both pay. He just does the transaction. So, and for the past 2 months, I forgot to send him the money or give him the money. So now I had to pick up like 100,000 yen. And I'm gonna give him the rent for the last 2 months. And then I still have some extra. Woohoo! I want to make this today. I made this before. It's kind of like a Japanese curry, but with tomato instead. And because we've been eating so much meat lately, I decided to just do it with mushrooms. So first we have shimeji mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, I think. What do they like oyster mushrooms? Yeah. Everything is pretty basic otherwise. We always have avocado at home and soy milk, and these are so yummy. These are dried nori, dried seaweed, but they're seasoned, so they're a little bit salty, and I just love those. And my boyfriend requested Japanese toast because he loves toast. So Japanese toast is sweeter and thicker and fluffier than regular toast. My boyfriend digs it. Me, I'm pretty neutral about it. It's just toast to me, so let's get cooking.
팬시는 엄청 표현하는 팬시만큼의 그런 호감은 없죠. 딱 넘어가는데 그때 그 바뀐
느낌과 사람처럼 된 것 같아.
Jane just cooked something, and I'm not allowed to have it.